Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did the needful, what he is supposed to do as a freedom fighter, as someone who wants to liberate his people. They came at him. This time around, they didn't wait for him to sneak into Nigeria any longer, but farm awalimi, mawimi, where makuti mi ebono. Where makuti mi ebono. Where Geba got kidnapped. They went there and kidnapped him. Because they have seen that this man is now ready to fight for his freedom. That is the reason why they could no longer wait. They went and kidnapped him where he was in Kenya, because they knew that he is now out to fight for his freedom. And since that time they kidnapped him in Kenya, they are still Akanatua John Joloko today in the court. And Mazi Samenekpa, the prime minister, the same. Ogono ne kuoku, ananu ogu DOS, nanu ogu DOS. Finland did not kidnap, did not arrest him. Finland did not arrest him. But what happened to him? What happened to him is that when he said, "We are done now, the media war is over, the rant and banters are all over, let us do the work," Musa started crying. Nigeria started writing petitions. All those months from June, July, August, September, October, November, December, even though that the battle was still raging in Biafra land, the battle was still raging, but there were a lot of things which were not activated at that very moment, at that time. While the battle was raging, there were a few things that were yet to be activated in order to touch Musa. The moment those things were activated, boom, Musa started lamenting, writing petition, zoo, government, they were everywhere, seeking for help in Europe and other Western countries. And today, this is where we are. So, now that our PM is in the custody, we expect another person who will stand in the gap to carry out the mantle and make sure that the struggle never dies, that the arrest of PM that the zoo was celebrating has become completely useless to them. But for the fact that those who claim to be leaders, are all busy gossiping, ranting, and talking bullshit on the social media since December down to July. This is the 8th month, the 80th month, because this is the 7th month of the year plus December, after they all went back to their various destinations from Finland. 80th months. Now let me count it for you. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped in June and renditioned on the 27th of June. He was kidnapped on the 19th, renditioned on the 27th.
All right, welcome back to my channel. You are welcome, you are welcome, you are welcome. So I just want to start by playing this Biafra Unite voice message. His broadcast. But before then, before we go into the program proper, I try to play this one first so that you can get some basic information that you need, what you want you to learn from that. Okay, before we move forward to the program itself. I can see that you have some people on the comment. Honestly, Tony Wobodo made, because yes, I scheduled this program yesterday, but I wanted to stream it late hour. Then on the second time, I said, okay, let me just get rest. Today we continue. So he made this comment yesterday, though. I see you, Tony Wobodo, and I appreciate you for that. Christopher Chukwemeka, you are the fourth that made a comment on this one. Please, once you join, like the video. Okay, make sure you click on the like button. We are going to spend time together as always, but this broadcast will be like it's not going to be like our normal broadcast of late. So we are going to go back somehow to the past event when Eggman, we call him Eggman. Why he bear the name Eggman? We are going to touch light on that, because you have to go back on that to have some of the to remind ourselves of what happened before, and focus on that, of course, for us to understand what is going on now. Please, like I said, please make sure you keep on hitting the like button once you join us. So I will present to you this one. Let's start. Let's hear why you such a. Okay, this is her program. Why you such a program? After the Eggman smash egg on all of us, because he called my name, even my name, and everybody. And the reason is because he felt that that using voodoo we get a long way we get a long way to help him want. Okay. He felt that using voodoo we get a long way to help him, and unfortunately that's not what it is. You cannot just, not everybody you will use voodoo on. Not everybody. So let me bring some of these videos. This Eggman is very, very funny, honestly. Eggman is very, very funny. When he started using that egg, I was told that somebody, because even in the video, he said, let him do it the way that he was instructed to do it. To bring egg like he was instructed to do it. Somebody told me that the person that not told me though, but somebody sent a link of the person that confessed that she is the one that instructs him on how to use egg on Biafrans, and that person happened to be Judith. Is it Judith or somebody, or Sazwa? Is it Judith or Sazwa? Something like that. Who later returned back to USB and have fall back again. In fact, I got her message, her voice, and keep as well, where she's also bashing back on USB again. I don't know why. Many of them, like what you did, you joined the USB government. Later you said, okay, you have to fall back. You did not even properly fall back, but you wanted to use that to destabilize USB. Okay, because of one or two things that she couldn't get in USB. Then when she go back to Ogeke did not open the door as wide as she expected it to be. She ran back from Ogeke, she ran back and began to stop Ogeke again. Judith Osanswa did the same thing. This program is not about her. We are not here to talk about her, to be honest. But she said in one of her videos that she is the one that instructed Eggman to use egg. When she was, trying to work her way back to USB. Things that happen, it's just that we have to choose the one that is supposed to talk about and ignore the other ones. But time will tell. Sometimes when you ignore it, it will be maybe months later, or even a year later, it's okay. You may come back to that video again because that could be the time you needed it most. All right. So, like I said, this is a Why is Such as program, and we are going to use that just for this particular live broadcast. Let me bring down this one, and let us start with this. Now listen. Don't forget to like the video, okay?
Play my voice again. Make sure that voice is clear. Bakunu so why you kunu walefu na this one can kill it no all corners. This guy have that not intelligent, very intelligent.
Not intelligent.
Imagine that now only Connie that this is trouble. So Nancy Abiko, thank you very much. Pushing a moment alone. Now, thank you, go send the mega. I'm going to send the mega. I really need it that time. Not knowing that they can work and mega who send the money.
Now, this is Why is Such a trying to explain herself. That video that was trending somehow. Okay. In the HMI, how did you know? Okay, that video. This is her own reaction because the people that actually released that audio is Eggman. This is her right hand man now. He is the one that played it first, and the man sent it to them to encourage them that this woman that is trying to talk down on me, that I used to feed her. She's also one of my candidates. She's in she made it in my list. My payroll, the money is automatic. She even said it here. This video, what we're about to do tonight, you may learn something from it. Okay, I believe that you will, because there's also a video that we are going to watch here. When Eggman was breaking the egg, he said that when he called Why is Such a, the egg that she picked eggs and write names. Her own is one egg. He said that for the fact that you are putting propaganda, lying against his then boss, which is Azaya Yob, okay, that you claimed that Azaya Yob is paying them money, whereas he don't pay them money. Just pay attention, because that's why I said that this broadcast may not be like our normal broadcast. Like, for some time now, I intentionally stopped going, using Why is Such a, going back to analyzing them. But there's a reason why we have to go back to that our old method. Yes, that's why this broadcast will be like that. So all I need from you is your ear and your time. Make sure you like the video, of course. Very, very important that you do so. Very, very important. So where's Why is Such a? Continue.
Because I send it in your voice message.
Someone say more volume. The volume is.
Thank you very much. Not knowing imagine that no many money and abona. Oh, man, no, man, I record, yeah. Because when you want to cool send on.
No one ya man ya can record that's I yob. No as I yob the question on. Okay? So she admitted that voice note that Oge sent to the group. Oge, how did you know? Oge Chukum. Okay, you know that you remember the voice, right? You remember that message. She said that she called Isaiah Yob in appreciation of the money that Isaiah Yob sent to her. Trust Isaiah Yob, right? He quickly started recording her. It's not as if she sent a voice message to him. That's what she's trying to say here. And somebody said volume. I think my volume is okay. The volume is okay. But let me reconfirm if the volume is okay or not. Just a moment. And somebody said volume. I think my volume is okay. This volume is okay. This is the volume. But let me reconfirm if the volume is okay or not. Let me take it back a bit. Okay. Last USB. You know that video back a bit. Okay, hold on. Let's go ahead.
To understand even now where. Father, thank you. Let go send the news. God said, alone.
Who is that person that said, Nam the Lucky Palace? Please, I think you need to also increase your volume from your own phone. The volume is okay. Yeah, I just confirmed it. Everything is okay. So can you just stop distracting us? The volume is okay. And Frank confirmed it as well. Ndewokai, good evening from my side. Keep it up. That's from Wafo. Wafo, I see you. So let's go back. Listen to her.
All of their life is criminal, honestly. At least
you see, once you have bad mind, like if you are not pure, this kind of thing will be happening to you. You know, you recorded COS. You remember? You are good at that. And Oge Kellen knew who you are. I presume that better the same feather, you know that kind of thing. This is what you do to other people, and he did it to you. Nan Josie, Oge has a romantic voice. Okay, how did you know? That was your statement. That was how the whole thing started. And it's not only that. He paid you money. You admitted it. I give you credit to that. Unlike Eggman, who claimed that as of the time Eggman was breaking the eggs, he said that Oge did not pay. That he was even highlighting on that, laying emphasis that for the fact said that Oge paid them money. That now this egg we are not making cause. But you wouldn't know the meaning of the consequences of what you're saying. Now hear this.
Now one of this is not strong. Everybody natural. Everyone will have to bring you down. Everybody. Do it. Yeah. Okay. There's no take Let us program at the end.
Yes. That's the river there. That's the river there. Let's see if we've got okay. Yes.
Now, this is Eggman at night. He went out in the night, just to break the egg. Many of you watched this video then, right? Many of you remember. I hope you still remember the video. I believe you still remember. Now, watch.
Okay.
This guy,
All right. So, come and see. You're going to hold it like this. This tree now that is flowing by the river. You're going to stand here. Yeah. You're going to sit down there. Sit down there, okay? Huh?
Instead, oh, yeah, Genesis would take me at least on our then no, Genesis now than them and they Danya. What I just not just some man whom I need in eh? They call what? Get it over Sam and media. Mini toilet, and I flush in our eh? Don't you know Joe will get to winning me and them and they get it. When they just turn those would tell you from a or to never go well, then you cut the boom. Eh? I died. I won't know whether now when you get in a maybe because many of my quarter now. Eh? Tell Emamoto no, but I will let you back. I was even Bosswan yesterday. After that, Eben cause the cotton or to talk. They been me a bear and me and media so. They've been meeting to like an area where you get 3 and yes, canal, yes, canal. Yes, your canal, milk canal, Bamba pass we were back. But when it's a child and the dead, the own American canal, go to the will to they change with 10 million. Oh, sure. I'm a canal like you now. One canal, a million. When you want to have a mamma in the lady, the vendetta in a jet. I'm a bit more show when a jack, but I said, what I watch when you will not away. So I go, and dear. And I become one of me, who goes or job also. Yawoma. A dibia warrior cast, ya baby, a dibia with you to dibia one American ya. Eh? Dibia one, what I say, I bet this is cantation, and they come to
This one, why you be comedian? Incantation can then I'm on that.
So I go, and dear. And I become one of me, who goes or job also. Yawoma. A dibia warrior cast, ya baby, a dibia with you to dibia one American ya. Eh? Dibia one, what I say, I bet this is cantation, and they come to elect on our way and open hotel in media, when this guy, I'm me when he will me. And again,
I'm live already.
This guy, I'm me when he will me. And again,
I'm live already. Check, I'm live already.
Man, I tell you, one will eventually you. Van go get the law one or two for the final day. Then they say I dare play. Everything can get out of it. So let the guy tell it. Who do question? Van make it there. Or why not to the Nana General J. Pele? Mentioning now, but I know I done the war of war. Or when you say, was it past mentioning the the last day, all of them was later. A back, a bump and bump call a locate yours custom. You pay for go. Echen Navanchani, or last day. A penny basil, or 3,000. just way this weather. Woman, overman, the come to the guy. Naturally, was they watch that place. Was they watch here?
On the camera here. I'm going to do whatever I'm going to do on those branches, on those trees. So everything will be entering the river there. So then don't cover hold the camera with your hands. And I don't cover the front. So don't take your hand. Your hand come up to you. Let me see. Are you seeing me? Are you seeing me? All right. Let me stand here and see if you can see me. Are you seeing me?
My brother.
Good.
Very good. They must bow.
Okay.
Must.
Let me get my.
You can hear why you said that then was somebody put a comment there, a comment on her live broadcast that time that they must bow. She was repeating it and other, but later she turned to everything gets sour. Anyway, let's focus on the Eggman now.
We're going to start it here, and we are going to finish it.
Okay. You know what? Let's move to another one. Later we'll bring it on. Let's start. Just watch. Let's start with this one.
Never blackmail anybody. This one is TOS. Come here to. No, we're not looking for pity, but you have all of you have been done.
Yes, you are looking for pity. Yes, shut up. Eat of pity. If not, yellow water is rubbish. You come down to the only God said, yes, that one I don't have it. I'm on a living mess. If now when I see him, I'm going to need the echo magic woman in Nigeria. I told him, not be forgotten. So get
that never can get it then age of the guy get you my candy that time. In order the point. Okay. She's trying to explain what happened. And Eggman is here also doing this, doing what he knows how to do best, even though he don't know how to utilize it though.
Out and go and hide your head in shame. Now, this is it. Nkechi blessing Ezobika. If any mere, it does she will be a phrase. If any mere, Esiasi. Mpu na arụ niile imere ị ga-eji isi gị buru ya. Ụmụ Biafra nọ n'udo na-akụwa akwa n'isi mmadụ isi na ebolo ya ibu na ọ tụrụ asị cut off nke o mere ọbado. I don't know na this guy nwere uche cut off Igbo bụrụ na this is COS since ya na-eme because everything this woman kwuru maka our COS was. Upon that, this man, Jewe court, he with the aqua. But the woman, content creator, they create. Where they do not more come, but here in Mas Simon Epa, Prime Minister Merani. But you see, over the bata, you see, as all of bata, here, Saya, Bugaras, Bagakuaka. Madua Mandisu, Fulani. I'm watching you, but then I drop here and I hear you crazy. My Biafra, Gogi, on the narrow, very serious. Narrow, how would you narrow her up to the fort to cook Kadiama? Gaborobia, no Drayana, no Omaka Biafra, or Omaka Mono, Kaha, Maga, okay, Fokinanya. God would be self of Yasaya. The work I can do. Hey! Let me
Now, give me so good. I can't anybody ever. I won't be if I can't just share again like that. Or they can't call in as now say feel too much, you know. Maybe when I wash the dishes, dishwasher. The hotel. I can what those I do sometimes. I don't know more. Man, I get to the night or something. I don't understand. I can even at this moment, I can do it like that.
I'm on my very next. If now I
Not be forgotten. So get out and go and hide your head in shame. Now, this is it. Nkechi blessing Ezobika. If any mere, we don't share with Biafra azụ. Ị ga-eji isi gị buru ya. Ife niile i mere esi asị mpụ na arụ niile i mere ị ga-eji isi gị buru ya. Ụmụ Biafra nọ n'udo
na-akụwa akwa n'isi mmadụ nsị na ebolo ya ibo na ọ tụrụ asị cut off nke o mere ọbata. I don't know na this guy nwere uche. Cut off Igbo bụrụ na this is COS since ihe a na-eme because everything this woman kwuru maka our COS was. Upon that, this man jenwe court ije wete akwa. Although I'm an content creator, they create.
wee dị nwa ọkụ ọṅụ maka ihe niile Maazị Simon Ekpa akwa mmisa mere anyị mana isi o were bata isi azụ ụlọ bata ka ị ghasaa ya ndụ gị ga-aghasa mgbe a ga-akwụwa akwa ma gụwa ma ndị Suu Fulani Musa
Washington, but the na Trump here, and I hear you
ndị niile ọbụla goji ndị na-arụ ọrụ ihe
very serious.
na-arụ ha willingly na-arụ ha to the fault Chukwu okike abịama ga-abọrọ bịa na-eme o doro anyị anya na ọgbụgbọ maka Biafra ọ bụghị maka nnwere onwe ka aha akwa ma a ga-akwụwa ya oge efo gị n'anya nke ahụ dị 7th day ụbọchị asaa ya otu aka ọ ga-adị na
Okay. Now, let's continue.
Thank you very much for that. Now, then Chika Ike, aka Adam Doju, Adam ndị arụ ife niile imere asị na-esere sigide Ogechukwu kere sigide ụmụ Chineke sigide the Biafra Liberation Army sigide Holy Ghost sigide General Ross sigide ndị ụmụ Chineke na-arụrụ Biafra ọrụ ife niile ikwu ife niile imere ọ bụrụ eziokwu
Number one, Igbo na Igbo. Onwere mgbe m kwuru okwu ọjọọ gbasara our angels. No time. M kwuru okwu ọjọọ gbasara our angels. Ijikwa agba na-asụ ụfọ siri ike. Onwere mgbe m kwuru ajọ okwu. Ana m okwu niile m mere nọ na program. Onwebe the only person m kwuru gwara okwu mbaka mbaala ya. Kpọọ ya si ya na ọnwụ efe ọnwụ nna ya ekwuru na ekwu. Na onye na-eso na akpawa na-asị bụ ndị ba ebe ọ na-asọpọtụ alụ onye alụ ka ọwụ this George Holy Ghost. Yes, because na ebe ọ pụtara ịkparị awa COS o nweghị right to insult her because o mejọbeghị ihe. We Biafra we love her. So onye ọbụla bịara mee ya attack and before mpụta gwakwa that general okwu akpọkwara m ya private. Say, go and sit down. Don't come out again. Please. Respect yourself. Or see, I'm not going to social media again. My father is a blogger. I will treat you like a blogger. I feel me. So I book when I book what I'm going to put under our angels. There is no time. Be careful. I'm going to have coffee and ask for my tongue all over.
ihe anyị na-eme ka ọ laa n'iyi nọọ ihe ikwu eziokwu mana ọ bụrụ asị na mpụ na arụ imere ịrụọla ala ipuola eze n'imi Chukwu okike abịama ka a ga-akwụwa akụ a ị ga-ewere ọnọdụ maka na ihe ọjọọ anyị achọghị ihe ọjọọ na Biafra anyị achọghị ihe ọjọọ na Biafra anyị chọrọ nnwere onwe sọsọ ka anyị chọrọ onye ọbụla ebiri n'udo ndị zoo ala mie anyị nwere onwe anyị otu a ka ọ ga-adị n'eke na
Please make sure you like the video. I noticed that only 65 people have liked the video. Can we try and get it up to 100 while we're still streaming live? We have spent 35 minutes. So please, if you have not liked the video, this is an opportunity for you to like it. Click on that button. Why I like to play like this, for you to know how Eggman, what he did, and more are still on the way. Just watch out.
nna gị na-achụkọ nta na-achụ anụ tụgharịa si na ụkwụ anyị dịzikwa ụkwụ anụ wee na-agba anyị ka ịgbagbuo wee na-agba anyị ka ịgbagbuo ọ bụrụ na anyị nwere ka anyị si chụọ gị ka agbaa gị maka ịtọ na ọgbawa anyị ị ga-agbata anyị ị ga-agbagbusi anyị mana ọ bụrụ na enwere ka anyị si gbaa gị ịtụgharịa na-achọ ka ịgbagbuo anyị ka ịgbagbuo anyị anya.
This one is for Go 247, you know. She have done the first one for COS, and then Ada, why is such a now we go 247.
Mba, ọ gaghị erere gị asị niile tụrụ megide APM anyị Ogechukwu nkere.
Now pay attention here. Pay attention. Asị niile tụrụ no megide APM anyị Ogechukwu nkere anyị. Ogechukwu nkere. Negative.
Ọ ga-ala n'isi gị. Ihe ọjọọ niile kwuru n'ọnụ ọ ga-ala n'isi gị. Ụmụ Biafra ekuligo wee sị ihe niile ndị a ga-esere. Mpụ niile imere ị ga-anụ ụda ya. Ọ ga-ala gị n'isi maka na anyị anaghị achọ ka ụmụnna anyị ihe ọjọọ mee. Arụ. Enweghị eziokwu ọbụla dị gị n'ọnụ. Otu a ka ọ ga.
Now, this part, because I said to cut it bit by bit because I'm gonna put it all in my Twitter. If you have not followed me on Twitter, please follow me on Twitter. We newly joined Twitter, so we now have Twitter space. Please make sure that you understand what we're about to say now, because Eggman is trying to act as if he's aware of Ogenkere flop from day one, but they keep on they want to manage him, like he said, covering his acts. You are doing that. You know that he's not the right person. That you guys were just managing him, but you tend to use egg to do incantation of voodoo, eye service, so that Ogenkere will see you doing that and say, I know my honorable. What is honorable about you? Because you know that you yourself said that he's okay. Doesn't you are managing him? You okay? You know what? Let me play before we move further. Just for a record purpose. Listen.
Why did you shut Amobi down?
No. Let's start from the beginning. Listen, just practice.
Fellow Biafrans and lovers of freedom. This is going to be 5 minutes or less than that. I had always kept quiet, but now I am going to speak up. Ogechukwu nkere cannot rub mud on this freedom. I am Vam Vam Vam. I am the armor bearer of the Prime Minister. Yes, in your office right now, as APM that you were given, I will cease from henceforth to call myself Deputy Prime Minister. I am Vam Vam Vam, the armor bearer. And now I am going to let the cat out of the bag. Ogechukwu nkere, your crimes will be fully exposed by Vam Vam Vam. Believe me, you are not going to take Biafrans for a ride, and you are not going to take the Prime Minister for a ride. You have no office. As far as I am concerned, you have no office without CRC. You have no office without BAC, and you have no office without the Prime Minister. And I am under the authority of the Prime Minister telling you to shut down everything you are doing and all the lies you are telling Biafrans. The account you are talking about belongs to Biafrans. The account you are fighting, belongs to the Biafran people. The resources to protect Biafra does not belong to you. If you have any resources, put it out into Biafra and stop this nonsense. I will let the cat out of the bag sequentially. But for you to come and think you can bully people to submission, we stopped Ngozi. And because you know you are worse than Ngozi, you didn't let us start with the truth. I'm going to start with a letter that the PM's attorney released.
Because you know that you are worse than Ngozi, you didn't let us start with the truth. Because you know that you are worse than Ngozi, you didn't let us start with the truth. For you to say this kind of thing simply means that you know the truth and the lies. Then you chose to follow the lies because he didn't let you to start with the truth. Meaning that you chose lies, not because you don't know that this is lie, you know, but because of the instruction he gave to you, you have to start with the lies, not the truth. Then you know all those things, yet you decide to bring egg to lay curse on somebody who is not even part of you, but was actually reminding the whole world about that truth that you guys refused to start with. So you started calling, pronouncing negative words and all that, with the judgment and all that on that person, believing that it's going to work. If not because you know that what you are doing is eye service, you wouldn't have done that. Because it is very, very obvious that the reason why you did it, because you want people to believe, to see you that what you are saying is truth. And you also made it clear that one of the crime of Adada Oranjo then is because she said that you guys are the other payment, that you guys are receiving money from Ogekere. She said that she have received her own then. That Ogekere told her that all of you are with him, that he do pay you, just like he has paid her. What did you do? You deny it. That is the allegation and the book. Allegation and the book. People that are very ruthless. Anyway, we're getting to that part though. Listen.
To you, Ngozi Arabueze and the Mama and Uche, what's that his surname? Uche Obajako, whatever his name is. I will release that letter and I am going to show it to Biafrans. And you will tell Biafrans why you are scared of confronting the truth, and why you are dodging the Prime Minister, and why you want the Prime Minister to rot in jail, and why you have insistently been fighting anyone that is going to present themselves to the Prime Minister. Why did you refuse to go to Finland? Nobody is chasing you. You can go to Finland. So why did you refuse to go to Finland? And why are you working against the Prime Minister, decision? Why?
So he keep on mentioning all the flop of Ogekere now. And he said that since February that they know, like he also said here, that you know that you are worse than Ngozi Arabueze, but you did not, that's why you did not allow us to start with the truth. Now let's go back to the breaking egg. Now, another one.
na-achọsị ka imebie na-agafere Okonkwo. Ọ bụrụ na ihe na-eme bụ ka imezie ya gaziere gị o. Ma ọ bụrụ na ihe eme na ịlụ ma ga-akpọrọ ụmụ Chineke ọ bụ maka na enweghị isohụ na ije nwụrụ onwe a ịbụ from the back door ịbụ fake ịbụ sabo and ụgwọ ọrụ ndị sabo na-anata ka ị ga-anata n'aha Chukwu ka abịa otu akụ ga-adị na nkwọ otu akụ ga-adị na eke.
Okay. Now let's move to another, because like I said, I intentionally recorded it little small because I'm going to post it in my head. This one is for man images.
Ndị na-agara anyị ozi na-alụ anyị ọgụ gị na-akpafa niile a agwara m gị ke n'eziokwu ịta ọnụgharịa asị mba n'ọghasị ka ị ga-eso ịma ọkịsịrị na ebere gị emegbuola m ụgha niile ị na-agha asị niile ị na-asị ọ bịago na njedebe Chukwu okike abịa ama bọọrọ ụmụ Chineke ọ bụ bọọrọ the Biafra Liberation Army ọ bụ ebe ọ bụ na onye a na-agba ọsọ na-ezogharị na-asị maka ego maka afọ maka nri ị ga-eri n'ọnụ ụmụnne gị nọ n'ime ọhịa mosquito oyi anwụ a na-ata ha ndị nsu a na-atarị ha a na-ekwu some of them depụta na-akpọ ha kidnapper a ga-ede nnapụ gị ọjọọ ga-eme
a na-egbu some of them so ị nwere idea na a na-egbufa. Thank God no still on way. I need some of them. Thank you that I want to be poor. They want to be poor. Maka see in a what them will confess that now you Buddhist boys. This man never wanted porn. Where is that now you Buddhist boys? I like in case in Egypt. I know some of them. By who? Going and never exposed. Going and Tafano. Why ain't you move any more here? Onye na-akpọ ndị na-ebufe eje ọwụrụ gị kede ọwụrụ so na-akpara na master ụnụ kedu aka dị si idiot success so na na-abịa ozugbo ọsịda ebere ka sọrọ ka a na-akpọ dị ya nke ọzachakwa trọbisi ha na-ege ntị ụmụnne
ihe ọjọọ ga-akpọ gị iwu n'ụtụtụ na ehihie na abalị na nkwọ na eke n'orie.
Now, it did not end there. Many other people, and listen to this one.
TV na Twitter. TV. A na-ahụ picture ga na-ahụ video gị. Ejedi na-ekwu eziokwu dị chọrọ ime common sense. Ihe ị na-eme no common sense. If you make it na social media or common sense, if you make it on, say that why you not on this politician na phone, say that we're not bomb Biafra, we're in here. Go away, can happen. Now, offer our men on our official on ground, offer na social media, Ebony State coordinator. They will come here, you liar. You make your own, you make your own.
Yes.
You don't have right to hijack the longer she is there.
When right in hijack our money. I want hijack in Canon and Biafra land. I want hijack I say Pacific Perfect. Biafra's man do be a goofer. Okay?
But the better or broken normal thing. Our lobby is criminals and thieves or broken normal thing. We home it. I need a criminals. All of a sudden, you are seeing a member you are from outside looking in. You know, look in wherever I see any name, carry anyone on him. And I was carry anyone. If you could want to know, you gave me. Open this, you quadro on Kelena. Hey, before jaw, that boggy you. Before jaw, that boggy you. Kill TV. Ghana or Kai TV. If I got here, I'm on you. And I forgot I'm on you. It was your or the number. I see no no because I think it investigate. So many people when the investigation happening, whenever we from there, almost number because we not go na social media. Onye ọbụla chọrọ ebe ego dị mma mụ achọkwuru kewe ego ụgha n'eke n'orie n'afọ na nkwọ.
Did you hear that? Kenan na QTV and Kai TV. Maybe. This is how this guy used the egg on innocent people. Even you can, you don't know gift, okay? Now you know. This guy, Eggman will smash egg on everybody. But what happened? This is one of the things I want to pick from all this nonsense is that after doing all those things, claiming that he's doing it, you can see his face. Saying it boldly as if he actually meant, as if he meant it. When the going get tough, one namia which at the back. No tell him a dog you can boys nana manager. In what the point? This is then if you believed him when he was breaking this egg, as if what he's saying was truth, that he's sure of what he was saying. What you need to ask yourself is this: if truly he's sure of what he was doing, why is he not telling you that as far back as February that they already know? And he told you in Finland during the time of convention that he was with Ogenkere. They go out, come back, discuss, and plan together. This man knows the plan, and they plan their plan together. He's aware. He received money. Even if he did not receive money at that point in time, which is a lie, because I believe he must have done his son's birthday, okay, before the convention. But he received money then. If he received money that time, or let's say let's assume that, I'm just saying, let's assume that he did not receive money as of that time. But in Finland, he was aware that Azubike, the one in charge of the website, was able to attend to that Finland convention because Okekere financed his trip. And he was aware that the man, Azubike, refused to honor, to do what cabinet member asked him to do because the money that Okekere gave to him. He's aware of all those things. The reason why he did not drag that Azubike now, because Azubike is now with them. Azubike have run away from Okekere. So now somehow Azubike must be protected in his own little way. Let's continue. I know him. Ndị ụlọ akwụkwọ na-abịa ka chukwu na ife na-agụ ka gbaa na shop.
Other accomplices, others, karịrị nne, unu riri nne, unu ma ọmụmụ, Chukwu okike abịa ma unu niile ka unu ha. I'm sorry for those that cannot hear, the language of heaven. Chukwu okike abịa ma will interpret to you. As many as you are, that is warring against Biafra, the Biafra Republic government that is instituted to restore Biafra, to continue and make sure that nothing happens to Ali Damasi Namdekan, make sure that nothing happens to our Prime Minister Masamo Nekpa. But you are introducing a parallel government to deplete our account, to deplete our numbers, and to reduce our efficacy. By making any attempt to do that, You have reduced your lifespan. You have reduced your own efficacy. You have put yourself in a very difficult situation where nobody will bring you out. Let me choose who the
1,804 now watching live and direct.
Oh, did you hear that? Before job. As of that time, this woman 1,804 total view live streaming. You see, that is when she actually believed that she have arrived. Because all of them now they made their mistakes because of that dubious character. Why Soja did the same thing? Eggman, of course, did the same thing. People who actually believe they know how to manipulate people and deceive people. Anyway, listen.
Twitter and Facebook you not on a phone. Mama get kidnapped. Mama come on off. I come with your back on off. I couldn't for Mazin Namicano. I couldn't for my Simon. I couldn't for Biafra. Let's go because I'll put for Biafra and for Mazin Namicano. Who are put here? But I'll put to us if you have been at home. Mickey Angels, Fakanko, Unulile, Nana Bafafa, Unabafa, Unadetise, Unulile, Mandimune alias. It was so food they use alias. Fake name. To quote Kabia, Mandibu fake, Mandibu real. Akufuria, if I acquire Nabo, to go with Sine, but I get you where. Once you want to acquire, if I represent Rento, Nimeno, Gabuzion. If I put ni mono, or take Joseph, and a long time. Today was the last day. About 1 million. About 1 million. I can't eat your child, Biafra. But you never not support on in this soup. May talk so. May be fit to cook get them. I have the government I made yesterday. Every made yesterday.
Wow.
New members was brought into the government, new honorables. They brought in the new fiscal year. Mazoga Chukumkere is preparing for this year on behalf of our Prime Minister, who very soon we're going to be hearing from him. We have that, that breakthrough. We have that breakthrough. And it's happening. It's happening. We are not going to have this vacuum. No. Everything in our phone you see is just noise making. It's just distraction. And really, they distracted us a lot. Yes, they touched some souls and took them back. Now, instead of justice, equity, and fairness that is supposed to be, that's supposed to be the way of our government and our society, what we now see is propaganda, lies, falsehood, deception, and manipulation. Yeah. If I have also Abraham Queen, also Abraham Boyibo, and then they see for Obodoyibo, one has enough to use our people. The Okuki one on Obodoyibo can know. Remember, he get the give a channel, what I can at the keyboard. Very careful. So,
I want to give Otoni Gallo Kayawole, Olofuma, one money to my brother, Macanama, and Franka, when he came my Ellen, or Western good attack people, no, I won't touch. This is my home. Hey,
I can't about Godoman, or say about Godoman. Oh, yeah, Obie, Ilu, Former Dronobia. Former Dronobia. What would the former Dronobia? You say our Prime Minister like Abigaketa, Oga Kuyeria. No, Usbo, Fasoro Godo. Because man, no God man. Father, by any more God, so any more God, why? Any more God, why? As nam si ihe na-egwu egwu agụmamịrị. Yes. Enweghị mgbe Biafra ga-egwe ihe na-egwu egwu agụmamịrị tụfie anyị ka anyị gafie mba. Ife na-egwu egwu agụmamịrị agaghị edufu ụmụ Biafra. Lie. Nwoke ga-ejiri anyị ji aka. Nwoke ka Biafra ji aka. Nwoke na-achị ụlọ. Ọ nwoke nwe ụlọ. Ihe na-egwu egwu agụmamịrị agaghị edubie anyị. Unu anụghị ya? Otu a ka ọ ga-adị. Unu niile, all the accomplices, by deliberate act or by chance, by accident, otu a ka ọ ga-adị. Enwe onye ọbụla chọrọ isonye n'ekpere a ọbata maka na nwe ozumoke, I don't have time. Except ma maybe na mgbede ọ bụla nwekwe time ọkpọbata m unu maka na akwa ihe njidere ebe a why I am here where I am is because I am not breaking them right now. I am going to take them, package them the way they are, because there's no river here where I walk. Yes, so that's why it has part 2. There are 7 of them, and they will all be, done. True survivor, oh, troops, you better get me them. And the truth that I made here, didn't have deliberately. The social media, and then I check on social media, Linda TV, True Survivor, that are just on social media. So they are looking for the popular side. And most of the time, the popular side, the popular side. For a short time, on Saturday, fundraising for 20 states of Biafra, 20 this week. I can report 40 states, 20, and after 20, we'll another 20. So, because I'm my own, join your state, I can with the list in this state here, the fundraising so that can call on so I will not support our state here. They want. Open a Bible saying that broad is the way that leaded to destruction. Many there be that follow it, but narrow is the way that leaded to life. There are few that are found on it. Most of us on the side of truth are few, but I am happy that there are many Biafrans that have realized that the way we are following is the right way that will lead to their freedom, and they are standing put. All of you that are standing put. All of you that are standing put, stand very strong. Stand very strong. Do not shake, do not waver, because victory is coming. Very soon and very soon, it will be Uhuru, and we will be home in
Okay, now let's move to the other parts where he actually went to the riverside, this canal, and hear what happened there. Listen.
in the house. So, okay, where are the
Please like the video, okay?
darkness? I'm going to take you 2 at a time. Don't get the picture here. Oh, this is, can you see this? Good, this is it. The levels of freedom. My name is Rafael Chamaka Jerry, aka Pastor Van Bam. As stupid as she may look at these things, they are the genuine and the real things. It is written in the book of God that the foolish things of this world, the Almighty uses it to confound the wise, the foolish things. But this is tradition. Biafra is supposed to be our free nation where justice, equity is upheld. These people, whose names are written where they have done their doing. They have committed abomination in Biafra land. For 7 days, 6 days, and this is the 7th day, We have called upon Chukwu to fight for us and give Biafra justice. Here, can you look at this? Can you see this thing? Here is written Nkechi Blessing. Enzo Bika is written here. AKA Ngozi Orabozi, who has come as an obstruction on the way of freedom, lied to Biafra people that she has restored Biafra and that we are now a nation, and thereby dismantle every effort our sister, Mazi Simon, have made and have done, relegating everything as if we have wasted our time for the past 5 years. But Kadiama have said no, and has called criminals those that are honest and true. But she happened to be a criminally minded individual. And that is why Chukwu Kadiama to you in Rama Opo something no gawa do. Anya gogo so me you afan. Chidi ki isi wo e father. Aye se ndele. Kam na ti wa afan. Ihe niile Ngozi Orabozi, Nkechi Blessing Ezebika, Onoro, Basara Biafra, Basara Mazi Simon Ekpa, Basara Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, a na-etiwe no gawa dịkwa. A na-etiwe na nkwọ na-eke n'orie afọ ihe ndị a niile ga-abụ n'efu. Chukwuka Abịama ga-enye Mazi Simon Ekpa mmeri, nye Biafra mmeri, n'aha Chukwuka Abịama pụrụ ihe niile. Ebe ọ bụla ị gara imegharịa ihe a, everywhere you go to cancel or do what we are doing tonight, and we have done for the past 6 days, it will backfire because we are honest and truthful and sincere. Just remember, as I break this, as I break it, I break everything you have done against the people of God. Yes, we fell into the river. Let every evil you have done go with you. Every lie you have done, it backfires on you. Every eyes you have closed, they open today in the mighty name of Chukwu Abia. They got to come, Ngozi. Ngozi got to come. Nkechi got to come. Nkechi Blessing, Ezebika got to come. Nke a bụ Mary Chika Ike. A na-akpọ ya ada ndị mbụ na ndị egede. Ndị mbụ na ndị egede ụmụ bụ ndị eziokwu. Ndị mbụ na ndị egede ikwuru n'okwu ebe a nchọrọ ọ gwara gị sị gị imegide ife niile anyị na-eme megide wuriri tinye ihe agbada and imegide for you ịgbara mgbe ịkpara gbam iritigo ada ndị gboo ada ndị mbụ na ndị egede ọ ka ịmara ebe ịstand the idea gets good. You have a life, the work on. We not be cheating or job. Can't put on bed. I don't know, bro. Bring them, but on the market. The woman of the woman, even in la dam beauty. Even in a cheetah, maybe you could put it. You want to know through Gabriel. But I would never go to the I'm not amazed to tell him no. I'm not the whole yam, I'll go she, Onyanko, Onyaro, my aunt, Onyaro, Onyoshi. You don't know this. Jack, I you wouldn't want it for Nala. It's just good at whining came on and finish a divorce. A divorce will be whining came on and you went back upon it time. Eh? Now I take on your wine, you also. A boom wine to me. Oh, wife for Sinasha. Oh, wife for Sinasha. Oh, Ivana, where? I don't know husband is Sinasha. Tell wife for Sinasha. I could put me all the way with. Oh, I see. And when I walk up on you, catch last year, up on you. One day, walking. Only we may all offer their own for I need to wear. Glad I won't you. I don't know you just one or just after one if one this banana. Very beautiful woman on a very young queen. And on your biniwa. Very beautiful.
mama sa ekui okporo this man from buy okpogo te Italy no ya na Italy nye ya akwụkwọ nwaanyị nyere onye akwụkwọ ewu mmadụ nyere ya akwụkwọ mbụ dị ọtọ na akpọkpọ wasi ọnụ ebe a mee nwaanyị abandon soro nwaanyị ọzọ nawara London no London agba ya anụkwa ma ọ nọta jeje kuchie nwunye mmadụ tụrụ gbọgbukwa ego idiot na nkọ ka ị na-ene
ndị bụ na ndị obodo asịdịla ọsịpụtere nchịpụte maazị Ogechukwu kere Isaiah Anyọk every lie she lied on his head. Ndị bụ na ndị egede defend Isaiah Akog, defend him and defend Biafra. Deliver all those that she has lied to and said them.
Isaiah Anyọk Isaiah Akog people are either confused. Akpiri ego €5 you can sell anything on sellable and get them more than man can bam. You call all the boy now starting can you call out come you know I every day rubbish can I make a nonsense
deliver them from her bondage and recompense to her what you work with that no merit what you work can that work can I tisa ihe no megoro can they put here nwa ọbụla uchi chọrọ iji ya meji ya mee ọnwụ ya ihe ọbụla ya ọ bụghị m ọchịna m n'aka ihe ọbụla mere ya esoro m n'aka o si ya nwa n'aka ihe kwutere ogechi jishi eburu akwa ọnụwa a sị m na m ga-apụ ihe na mmiri I said I'm going to throw it into the river. The other one I broke it because I destroyed everything in Kochi, Ezodika, blessing. But this one I will throw it direct into the river. Whatever goes with it goes because it is the seventh plane. I am going to fling it into the river and let it go. Let it go. Let it go. That's what Kadama to me.
Let's not waste time on that, on her own way of bragging. So now let's now listen. She wants to summarize it.
Today, before today, Tia Pani Memi, Nanka, our COS, Okona, instead, you will buy game where Koa or Koa, you get a theory. I have a music and Barbary. I don't think people are listening. I just sit on the watch.
He said, he said, Nabal. He said, Manori, Manafo.
Oh, no,
24/7.
Bam! New Year it again. Dear friends, uno no leoza. Amara no collect here. That's Milia. Otinie. And after go betale pele. Since on the paper of what behavior now boss now and operate today. None agent.
I remember that I didn't know why you love so one in our Bazian. If I go bomb, the Batran, the Batam, if I go, I say I know, who gets quickly by a Batam. Get up. Who got me like on a Biachi Shiki?
Because all know what I hear, did you go? Oh, no, what I hear, did you go? He went over wiki, came back out, revenge. I do really know good for everybody in our world. Everybody, he said, I have more said, no good, you are walk at you can walk, wouldn't see care. To be sincere to you, I'm on Nina watch this program. I'm on Nina and I have power. Now watch out that number and take it. A bit not here, just change of a woman. Ndulula leme muhibe, our that no money in the Ghana past anyhow. The dog no for. The dog no for. Every no one could be after soap. After declaration, I then find out. I need another hand or good and told.
So all these things, all these voodoo practice that Eggman devoted his time to do, at the end of everything, he now come back to that thing that everybody was talking about. That the man they are supporting, the man that he actually want their friends to follow, the man that he want people to see as the God, is not the right person. Okay? That is why he made this conclusion.
Is the one that puts you in office. You sign, fellow Biafrans and lovers of freedom. This is going to be 5 minutes or less than that. I had always kept quiet, but now I am going to speak up. Ogechukwu Nkere cannot rob more on this freedom. I am Vam Vam Vam. I am the armor bearer of the Prime Minister. Yes, in your office right now, as APM that you were given, I will cease from henceforth to call myself Deputy Prime Minister. I am Vam Vam Vam, the armor bearer. And now I am going to let the cat out of the bag. Ogechukwu Nkere, your crimes will be fully exposed by Vam Vam Vam. Believe me, you are not going to take Biafrans for a ride, and you are not going to take the Prime Minister for a ride. You have no office. As far as I am concerned, you have no office without CRC, you have no office without BAC, and you have no office without the Prime Minister. And I am under the authority of the Prime Minister telling you to shut down everything you are doing and all the lies you are telling Biafrans. The account you're talking about belongs to Biafrans. The account you are fighting, belongs to the Biafran people. The resources to protect Biafra does not belong to you. If you have any resources, put it out into Biafra and stop this nonsense. I will let the cat out of the bag sequentially. But for you to come and think you can bully people to submission, we stopped Ngozi. And because you are worse than Ngozi, you didn't let us start with the truth. I'm going to start with a letter that the PM's attorney released to you, Ngozi Arabueze, and the Imam Madabu, and Uche, what's that his surname? Uche, Obajako, whatever his name is. I will release that letter, and I am going to show it to Biafrans. And you will tell Biafrans why you are scared of confronting the truth, and why you are dodging the Prime Minister, and why you want the Prime Minister to rot in jail, and why you have insistently been fighting anyone that is going to present themselves to the Prime Minister. Why did you refuse to go to Finland? Nobody is chasing you. You can go to Finland. So why did you refuse to go to Finland? And why are you working against the Prime Minister, decision? Why? CRC, is the one that puts you in office. You signed documents that you will follow due process. And before you come out live, you will, relate with the CRC, relate with BAC before you come out live. And you feel you have a shoulder now. You are APN. Remember, you are APN, you are not the PN. I have always decided never to come out and start talking blah, blah, blah about you. But I stand on the integrity of Biafra and on the lives that have been sacrificed for this Biafra to tell you, Ogechukwu Nkere, that you must stop. And if you refuse to stop, I, Vam Vam Vam, will stop you. Whoever sent you, I don't know. Whoever you are working for, I don't know. I don't work on assumption. They have accused you of working with the governors of the East. Ngozi Arabueze have accused you of working with the governors, and she is working with the federal. Wherever you and Ngozi left your cloth, you people will go and pick it. not on the head of Biafrans. Whatever you have done in the homeland, working together with people in the homeland to subvert everything that is meant for this liberation or this freedom, it is dead on arrival. I am out for this. Not out for you, but out for the truth. And the truth must prevail. The PM has given instruction and you must obey it. If you don't obey it, you will be kicked out. And everyone that want to follow you, just the way Ngozi opened his own institution, you open your own. Because the only reason why you are bragging is because the registration of Biafra, this movement, was done by you. You understand? And it is based on trust it was done by you. And now you want to colonize everything. You want to drag everything. Nobody likes you. We have been managing to patch your ass and make people, believe in you. You don't have what it takes. You don't. So all we needed to do was for you to be there and everybody will assist you to get the job done. I personally was surprised that you accepted to be APM. I was surprised because I don't know what you are looking for. I don't know what you are looking for. Why did you shut Amobi down from going to Finland? Why did you try to stop Dr. Bryson Okoma from going to Finland? Why did you not go to Finland? Why did you stop or refuse to give updates to Biafrans when we go to Finland and come back? Why did you refuse to? You don't even care for any update from PM's court case because you felt PM will remain in prison. You think
for me. Not even because the last one is okay. Lie. Let him swear with his life that PM have respect for him. Not even because the last one is Ogenkere cannot go to Finland because only standing before PM to see PM, the truth in PM, the life in Simon Ekpa will destroy him because of the evil in his heart. Thank you, Mr. Gio. I appreciate your support. Do you see Adadu Arama?
Listen.
Adadu Arama is a goddess. Time to come, people will mistake her to be a goddess that they will be worshipping in Biafra land. Some of you don't like me because you think I am close to Adadu Arama. Am I close to Adadu Arama?
So
Adadu Arama is a goddess. You know why she's a goddess?
After breaking egg. Anyway, like Dex said, is a FFK of Biafra land. True. That's who he is. Anyway, I'm gonna keep it here. I just want to remind you this. I just want to stream this now to flash it for you to know. All right, and this is where we're going to draw the curtain close. Thank you so much, my people. Thank you for your time, and I really appreciate it. Before you go, subscribe and like the video. God bless you, and see you some other time. Bye bye for now.